What makes national electrical code interpretations so challenging? Have you ever wondered why interpreting the National Electrical Code is such a tough task? The National Electrical Code, often referred to as the NEC, is essential for ensuring electrical safety and standards. However, it presents several challenges that professionals face daily. Let's break down what makes these interpretations so complex. First, the NEC must keep pace with evolving technology. New electrical systems and renewable energy sources like photovoltaic solar systems are changing the landscape. Terms like service and service conductors need to adapt to include these innovations. This can create confusion about how to apply the code correctly. Next, there is ambiguity in the language used within the NEC. Some definitions can be interpreted in various ways. For instance, phrases such as other source of power can lead to different understandings. This ambiguity forces professionals to relying on context and their judgment, which can vary widely. Another challenge is balancing safety with practical application. The NEC aims to ensure safety through strict rules, but real-world installations often have unique conditions. Professionals must consider how equipment is maintained and adjusted under live conditions. This balance can lead to disagreements about the best way to apply the code. The development process of the NEC also adds complexity. It involves a consensus from various stakeholders, including manufacturers and engineers. Sometimes, proposed changes can be influenced by manufacturers promoting their products. This can raise questions about whether changes are truly focused on safety or driven by commercial interests. Local amendments further complicate matters. While the NEC serves as a national standard, local jurisdictions may adopt it with modifications. This means that electrical engineers must be aware of local variations that can impact compliance. Inspectors may interpret the code differently, and challenging their decisions requires technical knowledge. Lastly, the complexity of electrical systems and safety standards adds another layer of difficulty. The NEC is not the only code professionals must consider. There are other standards like the National Electrical Safety Code and building codes that must be integrated into their work. This requires a broad understanding of multiple codes to ensure safety and compliance. In practical terms, these challenges can affect various aspects of electrical work. For example, designing services that incorporate renewable energy while meeting safety requirements can be tricky. Ensuring that disconnects and service equipment comply with the NEC is essential for safe maintenance. Navigating code requirements for new versus existing installations can also be complicated. Older equipment may not meet current standards, which can create compliance issues. Additionally, precise code interpretation is critical in legal cases involving electrical accidents. In summary, interpreting the National Electrical Code is challenging due to evolving technologies, ambiguous language, the need to balance safety with practical realities, stakeholder influences, local variations, and the inherent complexity of electrical systems. Electrical professionals must stay updated on code changes and understand installation conditions to navigate these challenges effectively.